Hello everyone, I am back today to follow up on a great recipe that we already covered and to now cover a new recipe that just happens to be that previous recipe's bestie for the restie. If you use product interest tagging for your business, you're gonna wanna stick around for this one. In a previous video, we talked all about my shopping addiction and how companies can use the product interest tagging recipe to actually tag people's interest and keep track of all of that information for you. But with the product interest target follow-up recipe and product interest tagging recipe working hand in hand, you can build an unstoppable customer experience that will be unique and personalized for every single one of your customers. And this is how it works. The product interest tagging recipe generates a tag for each contact, then enters that contact into the product interest targeted follow-up automation. With the targeted product interest follow-up automation, you can send a series of targeted follow-up emails to encourage a prospect to make a purchase of that product that you already know they were looking at. The automation is triggered when a certain tag is applied to a contact, which is a form of segmentation based on product interest. Using site tracking data or existing customer data, ActiveCampaign applies a tag to certain contacts and begins the automation. This automation recipe sends 5 relevant marketing emails based on customer interest over the course of 17 days. When you jump into the recipe, you will see that the automation begins when a product interest or equivalent tag is added to a contact. Then the automation waits 1 hour. Then you have your second reach out, which is a coupon for product 1. Then you wait another hour. Then you have another email, and so on, following this pattern until you have sent your final message. The automation checks the customer status of each contact throughout the automation. So if a contact makes a purchase at any point in the automation, they will be removed and not receive additional emails encouraging to purchase that product that they've already purchased. Which sure does sound like an amazing customer experience to me. Happy automating!